Alright, hello everyone, Stock Master back here with another video for you all. Before I start, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now at the bottom right. Like this video, and remember to share. If you're returning, you already know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. It's important that you watch the whole video today. I have a lot of information I want to share about Golden Nugget, so you don't want to miss out on any of this information. And if you've seen my previous videos already, you already know that I'm an unbiased reviewer, so I'll try my best to talk about Golden Nugget without pumping it or dumping it. So let's get to it. Alright, so many of you already know already, Golden Nugget is an online gambling company. The price is currently sitting at $20.69. The market cap right now is 1.4 billion, and the revenue that they generated in 2020 is actually $280 million. If you want to know more about the financial side, do your own DD on Gnog. Of course, if you're watching this video, you probably heard about the merger that happened recently already. Golden Nugget was LCA at first, and then it became GNOG. This merger created the second pure online gambling. The first company that came out as a pure online gambling was DraftKing, so they're competing with DraftKing. Of course, the CEO of this merger is actually a well-known CEO, so make sure you look into the CEO because leadership matters a lot, right? So a lot of people have been associating GNOG with Golden Nugget Casino. The thing is that there is no relationship between the two. They're all different. Of course, the company is privately held by Fertitta. Fertitta does own about 52% of Gnog, but we don't know the exact amount of shares. So here's some speculation on Golden Nugget. Maybe Golden Nugget came into the SPAC game a little too late because they did merge towards the end of 2020. So is that one of the reasons why this stock is not growing as fast as everyone wants it to? At the same time, there is potential growth because it's a small market cap right now and online gambling is growing. So the potential growth. I believe that GNOG could grow through the year, but they're gonna be competing with DraftKings. If you all watch sports and you all gamble online, then you know what DraftKings is already. DraftKings is well known already. It has a lot of audience and customers already, and they have big investors investing in them already. So GNOG will be competing with DraftKings, and that's a big competitor, especially for a small starting company like GNOG. So when comparing GNOG to DraftKings, a lot of people are saying that GNOG has a bigger upside potential, which could be true because DraftKings has not moved for 4 months. If you look at the price range, have been consolidating. So GNOG could be a better investment at the moment because of its current price, or it could be worse. Let's say that GNOG can't compete with DraftKings and it falls, then it won't do as great. And you already know me, I'm an unbiased reviewer, so I have to talk both sides. And maybe GNOG becomes like DraftKings, where it consolidates because of the other factors that come in play. My personal opinion, I actually have shares in DraftKings and I have some shares in GNOG. The reason DraftKings is well known, credible, it's been around for a long time. I love credible company because I know our profit in the long term. Golden Nugget online gaming is more of a speculative play for me because it's a small market cap right now and they're new. So there's a huge growth potential upside for GNOG. Of course, do your own DD on GNOG and let me know in the comment section which you prefer, DraftKings or GNOG. Many people may be wondering, how is online betting looking after the pandemic? Well, the thing is that online betting has been growing before the pandemic. It's an ongoing industry, and I've actually found an online gambling market size prediction, and it's saying that it's supposed to have 11.5% from 2020 to 2027. The thing is that with COVID-19 and the pandemic hitting, this actually helped out online gambling a lot. As you all may know, quarantine happened and people can't bet in person anymore, so everyone that was betting beforehand in person moved to online betting. So it's good for the industry. Of course, with GNOG, if you've been following them, you know that they're expanding. So they're slowly expanding from state to state, and that's the thing that might hinder this company. But if they could expand all around the US, the world, then it's looking really good for GNOG and they will become as big as DraftKings. My personal opinion on GNOG is that they have competition they are competing with, companies that have been around longer than they have. But if you all know me already and if you have seen my Intel video, I believe that competition is good for companies. It makes a company ask themselves, how do I beat my competitor? What do I need to do different? Therefore, it leads to growth potential if they could overcome these obstacles or these hard times. With GNOG, the buy price right now is sitting at $20 and people are expecting it to grow. My opinion is that with all this obstacle and struggles that this company is going to go through, I believe that there will be a pullback eventually, and with the pullback, it'll be a good time to buy. But if you believe in the company long-term wise, right now is the best time to buy, because let's say that my speculation is wrong and there's no pullback. Well, you would have gone in earlier, and when the price jumps or doubles or triples, you would make huge profit. So of course, to each their own, do your DD and invest at your own risk. If you made it this far into the video, just know that I appreciate that. If you enjoy the content, please share this with your friends, peers, or whoever you believe will benefit from it. Leave a comment down below about GNOG and what your thoughts of it is. Lastly, remember to like, share, subscribe right now if you have not. It'll help the channel out a lot. I'll see you on the next video. Good luck, traders.